Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And last time we talked about method 2, completing the square of the quadratic equation. So this time, method 3, we're going to use the quadratic formula, right? So, which is basically negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is here in this case, a is 1, because that's the coefficient in front of this x. B is 4, because of 4x, and C is negative 5. Okay? So we're going to plug these numbers in, and then we're going to separate them by a positive number and negative. So let's begin. So I'm going to split it up this way. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to do the positives over here, and I'm going to do, since this is our quadratic equation, we're going to do the negatives over here. Okay? Let's begin. So x is equal to negative 4 plus the square root, which we have is 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 5. Okay? Everything over 2 times a. So 2 times 1. Okay? X is equal to, this is simply negative 4 plus 4. 4 squared is just simply 16 minus 20, minus negative 20 over 2. Okay? And just simplifying that further. Then x is equal to negative 4 plus the square root of 60 minus negative 20 is actually plus plus. So it's actually 36 over 2. I'm going to bring this over here and over here. So the next step will be x is equal to negative 4. The square root of 36 is 6. Is 6 over 2. So negative 4 plus 6 is actually positive 2 over 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So first x is 1. Okay, for the positive side. Okay, similar to the last problem, the first two problems. Okay, now the negative side. Okay, so x is equal to negative 4 square root 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 5, over 2 times 1. Then x is equal to negative 4 minus the square root 60 minus negative 20 over 2. X is equal to negative 4 minus the square root, and that's going to be plus plus, that's going to be simply 16 plus 20 over 2. X is equal to negative 4 minus the square root 36 over 2. Then I'm going to bring that over here. Okay, so this is for that problem that goes to that order. And then x is equal to negative 4 minus the square root of 36 is 6 over 2. So when you have negative 4 minus 6, that is actually keep change flip. It's actually negative 4. We just show that. Negative 4 plus negative 6 over 2, which is negative 4 plus negative 6 is negative 10 over 2. And negative 10 over 2 is negative 5. Okay? So x is either negative 5 or 1. And that's the same answer we had from the first two methods. Okay? So it shows that they all on the same page and they all in sync. Okay? That's it for method number 3. Stay tuned for the last method, method number 4, which I like to call instant factoring. You don't want to miss it. This is Mr. Frederick, out.